Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti oyapangwa inoi blasting President Mnangagwa Constitution Amendment number 3 pangwa ine after President Mnangagwa he signed it into law. Zanabda mashuka nabda pangwa ine atuba Tendai Biti pangwa ine he is furious pangwa ine akagumbuka he is not happy nema amendments hour. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pangwa ine tipinda mnamob kwa mchinzi. Former Finance Minister and former MDC Alliance Vice President Tendai Biti has launched a scathing attack on the newly enacted Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment number 3 Act, describing it as a vehicle for consolidating power and entrenching elite interests following President Mnangagwa's assent to the legislation. In a lengthy post on X, formerly Twitter, Biti accused the government of pursuing two objectives, looting and power, and claiming the constitutional amendments match those goals by concentrating authority in the hands of a small political and economic elite. The paranoid, pathological regime masquerading under the crass moniker of Second Republic is driven by two agendas, looting and power. BT Road. Lomba developments and Uda Pangwa BT accuser the Second Republic with Pangwa these guys that are just after power and looting. Pangwa get to know the president Master of Mnangagwa after he signed the bill, despite the fact that Uti several interviews, even abroad, President Mnangagwa he mentioned with his constitutionalist, and after serving 2 terms, which is 10 years, is going to exit the office. Pangwa achisira bamwa kuti vakwanise kutonga. He also went further to say 10 years they are enough kuti munhu anenge ane development agenda akwanise kuita development yake within those limits. But Pangwa is signing the law which extends his power or years in office zvazosiya nyika yese yashamisika nema-developments awo. Ndingakuonesa kuchemedza kufura imo kudipa mzoro kuchitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, the bell icon.